Hello everyone. In this lecture, let's discuss about requirement gathering phase. This is also known as project initiation. So before we proceed, let's first try to understand what a requirement is. A requirement is nothing but any need that needs to be fulfilled for an objective to be achieved. Let's say a website has to be developed for a user, and in that website a user is expecting a header and a footer and a body section to be developed first. And in that header, user is first requesting to develop some menu items, and in the footer user is requesting to have the information about the contact details, and in the body section the user is requesting for the main content of the website to be present. So all these pieces of requirements by the user or the necessities of the user are to be fulfilled when you are trying to develop an application. This process of gathering all the requirements from the client or the user to meet the needs of the business to be delivered is nothing but a requirement gathering phase. So here, when any user approaches a software company for his application to be developed, a person who is known as business analyst will interact with that user and gather all the required information from the client. These are nothing but gathering of the requirements from the user. So this process is known as requirement gathering process, which is nothing but project initiation. So now let's talk about the roles that are involved in this phase. The main important role is role of business analyst. So who is the business analyst? He is the key person who is responsible to gather all the details from the client without any mistakes. And once he gathers all the requirements from the clients, the next thing he does is nothing but they'll prepare a clear documentation, which is nothing but the list of all the details provided by the client, and that document is known as business requirement document. And in some companies, this document is also known as customer requirement document or a business requirement specifications document. The main intention of preparing this document is nothing but collecting all the information from the user and documenting everything in one place so that this document can be referred by entire development team while that application is being developed. So what are the key things of this phase? The business analyst will be interacting with the client to gather all the requirements for an application to be developed to fulfill the client's objectives, and that requirements gathered will be detailed as a business requirement document, which is also known as customer requirement document or business requirement specification document. In the next session, we'll continue the details of requirement analysis phase.